I'm Nihal from S5 Bcom. My roll number is 25. Today I'm going to present a problem based on house rent allowances. So we can go to the question. The question is about house rent allowances. Mr. Rajkumar has the following receipt from his employer. First one, basic pay 40,000 per month. Dearness allowances 6,000 per month. Commission 50,000 per annum. Motor car for personal use. Expenses met by the employer 1,500 per month. House rent allowances 15,000 per month. Find out the amount of HRA exempted in the hands of Mr. Rajkumar, assuming that he paid a rent of 16,000 per month for his accommodation at Kanpur. Dearness allowance forms part of a salary for retirement benefits. Mr. Raj Kumar exercised the option of shifting out of default tax regime provided under section 115 BAC subsection 14. So here we need to find out the amount of HRA exempted in the hands of Mr. Rajkumar. So we can go to the solution. Exemption shall be of three limits. In the metro cities, the metro cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai has these limits. That's HRA actually received for the relevant period, rent paid minus 10% of salary for the relevant period, 50% of salary for the relevant period. But in another cities, except from those metro cities, the three limits are HRA actually received for that relevant period, rent paid minus 10% of salary for the relevant period, and 40% of salary for the relevant period. So we can go to the exact calculation of this problem. The actual amount received, which is 15,000 into 12, that is 4 per annum, which is 1,80,000 rupees. It is the first limit. The second limit is rent paid minus 10% of salary for the relevant period. It is that excess of actual rent paid by the accessee over 10% of his salary, that is rent paid minus 10% of salary for the relevant period, which is equal to 16,000 into 12 minus 10% of 14,000 plus 6,000 into 12, which is 1,92,000 minus 55,200. The final answer is 1,36,800. The third thing is 40% of salary as his accommodation is situated at Kanpur, which is equal to 40,000 of 40% of 40,000 plus 6,000 into 12, which is 2,20,800. So we can go to the final answer, that is HRA received, which is 1,80,000 rupees less exempt under section 10 subsection 13A, which is included in the note, that is 1,36,800. So the taxable HRA, which will be equal to 43,200. So once again we can look to the final answer. The HRA actually received is 1,80,000 rupees as in the first note, and the LX exempted under section 1013A is shown in the second note, which is 1,36,800. The final answer, that is taxable HRA for Mr. Rajkumar, is 43,200 rupees.